Understanding ANSI standards. The American National Standards Institute sets the bar for the performance and safety of hard hats across various industries. When you see the ANSI Z89-1 designation, you look at a hard hat rigorously tested to meet stringent safety criteria. This isn't just a rubber stamp, it's a signal of trust in a world where head protection is non-negotiable. ANSI hard hats undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet these standards, providing peace of mind for workers in high-risk environments. Understanding the differences between these types is crucial for selecting the appropriate hard hat for your specific needs. Navigating the classifications might initially seem complex, but once broken down, they're quite straightforward. Let's start with the two primary ANSI hard hat types, Type 1 and Type 2. Type 1 hard hats are the first line of defense against vertical impacts. Imagine a construction worker on scaffolding tools, materials, or debris could fall from above. Type 1 hard hats mitigate those risks, providing crucial protection to the top of the head. While exceptionally important, Type 1 hard hats have limitations. They primarily protect against force from above. This means they provide limited protection against lateral blows. Understanding this limitation will help determine if this type suits you or if you require the added protection of a Type 2 hard hat. Type 2 hard hats offer enhanced protection from lateral impacts, unlike Type 1, which specializes in top-down protection. This means they shield the head from blows from the side, front, and back, as well as from above. Imagine working near heavy-moving equipment. There's the risk of objects being ejected at high speed, potentially striking a worker's head from the side. That's where the enhanced design of Type 2 hard hats shines, providing an additional layer of security. They incorporate thicker shells and strategically placed suspension systems for shock absorption. Beyond the type, ANSI hard hat classes deal specifically with electrical insulation capabilities. This further classification ensures you're using the right helmet for environments where electrical hazards may be present. When selecting a hard hat, it's important to consider the potential electrical hazards of your work environment. ANSI hard hats are divided into three classes, G, E, and C. For general construction and industrial environments where electrical hazards are minimal, a Class G hard hat is often suitable. These hard hats meet ANSI's baseline requirements for impact and penetration resistance. They also provide protection up to 2,200 volts of electrical current. When your work involves potential exposure to high-voltage electrical currents exceeding 2,200 volts, a Class E hard hat is mandatory. Electricians and utility workers, for instance, rely on the robust electrical insulation these hard hats offer. They can withstand up to 20,000 volts. Class C hard hats are designed for environments where electrical hazards are non-existent. Since electrical insulation isn't a factor, these hard hats are often lightweight. They prioritize ventilation and comfort, making them suitable for specific tasks like welding. Beyond type and class, the color of your hard hat can indicate your role on a job site. This informal code isn't mandated by ANSI, rather it serves as a helpful visual cue in large, busy construction environments. For instance, red hard hats might be used to easily identify safety personnel. Always defer to the specific safety guidelines set by your employer or project manager rather than solely relying on color codes. Some work sites may have custom-printed hard hats to further enhance visibility and identification. Choosing ANSI hard hat types that align with your work environment and the potential hazards present is just the beginning. Several other key factors go into choosing a safe and comfortable hard hat. Consider things like your specific work environment, the level of comfort you need, and the required durability. Evaluating the work environment. Beyond just the type and class, assess the specifics of your environment. Will you be exposed to extreme temperatures, chemicals, or UV radiation? These factors can affect the longevity and effectiveness of certain materials. This means some helmets may be more suitable for these environments. Be sure to choose a hard hat with the appropriate features for your needs, comfort, and fit. An ill-fitting hard hat can be as ineffective as not wearing one at all. You want something that fits snugly but not too tight. Look for features like adjustable chin straps, padded sweatbands, and different suspension settings that allow you to customize the fit. Don't underestimate the impact of prolonged comfort. It can significantly reduce fatigue and distractions, allowing you to concentrate on the task at hand. A comfortable hard hat is less likely to be removed in hot weather, improving overall safety. Durability and material. Consider the materials used in the hard hat's construction. Common choices include high-density polyethylene for its impact resistance, or fiberglass for its blend of strength and electrical insulation. Mining hard hats may have additional features like a brim to provide better protection against falling debris. Depending on your work environment and its specific demands, for example, exposure to chemicals or extreme temperatures, one material might prove more resilient than others. Research the materials and consider what best suits the demands of your profession. Understanding and choosing the right ANSI hard hat types goes far beyond fulfilling a workplace requirement. In the dynamic, often unpredictable environment of a construction site, those decisions can make a world of difference. Properly fitting hard hats are essential for maximizing safety on any job site, no matter the profession. Remember, safety isn't a one-size-fits-all approach, especially when it comes to head protection. By arming yourself with the knowledge of ANSI hard hat types, classes, and best practices, you're not just complying with regulations, you're actively contributing to a safer, more secure work environment for you and everyone around you.